What if I told you that you don't need a job, a degree, or even any professional skills to make $100 a day online? No complicated interviews, no 9-to-5 hustle, and no special talent. Just your phone, internet connection, and a smart strategy. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a real way to make $100 per day, even if you've never made a single dollar online before. I'll show you step by step what to do, which free tools to use, and how people around the world, from students to stay-at-home parents, are quietly building full-time incomes using this system. So make sure you watch till the end, because I'll also share the biggest mistake beginners make that keeps them broke, and how to avoid it. Let's dive in. Why this method works. Let's be real for a second. Not everyone can land a high-paying job. Maybe you didn't go to college, maybe you don't have marketable skills, maybe you just can't work a traditional schedule. But here's the good news. The internet doesn't care about your background. Today, thousands of people are making real money online by doing simple, repeatable tasks. Things like repurposing free content, monetizing everyday knowledge, using free tools to automate simple work. And what I'm about to show you is a system that combines these in a way anyone can start, even with zero money up front. The $100 per day strategy breakdown. Here's the basic system we'll use. Find high-demand micro-topics. Use AI tools to create content. Publish that content where it pays, repeat, and scale. Let me explain. Step 1. Find high-demand micro-topics. Go to platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Medium, or Pinterest. Search for things like how to save $100 fast, budget meals for students, side hustle ideas for teens. These are evergreen, always in demand. You're not inventing anything new. You're just identifying what's already working. Step 2. Use free tools to generate content. No Koala, no Fiverr. Instead of writing from scratch, use free AI tools like ChatGPT, Notion AI, or Simplified AI Writer. Let's say you found a trending topic like 5 ways to save money on groceries. You paste that into ChatGPT and get a full blog post, short video script, or even carousel captions. You can customize it slightly to make it your own. No design or tech skills needed. Step 3. Publish it where it pays. Now here's where it gets fun. You don't need a YouTube channel or blog. You can publish to medium.com. Pays based on reading time. NewsBreak accepts user-written content and pays per view. These platforms already have built-in audiences. You don't need followers to get started. Step 4. Repeat and stack income streams. The first article or video might make you $2 or $5, but publish 10, and suddenly you're seeing $50 to $100 rolling in weekly. Many creators earn daily passive income once their content gains traction. You just need to stay consistent. Realistic examples. Let's take a few real examples. Maria, a student from the Philippines, earns $30 per day just repurposing list articles on Medium. David, from Nigeria, turned free ChatGPT scripts into 100-plus videos on a faceless TikTok page. Sana, a single mom from Pakistan, earns $80 a week writing simple tips for NewsBreak. They're not experts. They just followed the process. Find, generate, publish, repeat. If they can do it, so can you. How much can you earn? Let's break it down. One article on Medium equals $2 to $10 per month, depending on views. One short video on Heavy equals $5 to $25 with 1K plus views. NewsBreak posts equals $0.01 to $0.05 per view. Now multiply that by 5 to 10 pieces of content per week. Even modest effort can lead to $100 to $200 per week, which grows over time. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a stack small wins strategy. Common mistakes to avoid. Here's where most beginners fail. They try for 2 days and give up. They expect $100 from their first video. They overthink instead of starting. They chase trends instead of building consistency. The truth is, You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. If your first few videos, articles are bad, that's fine. You're learning. Improve as you go. How to scale to $100 per day. Once you've done this for a week or two, here's how you take it further. Batch create content. Use one day to create 5 pieces and schedule them. Join partner platforms, like Medium Partner Program or Heavy Creator Fund. Use Google Sheets or Notion to track what works. Automate repetitive tasks with free tools like Zapier or Notion AI. Over time, you'll see what content performs best. Double down on that. This is how people go from $5 a day to $100 a day and beyond. Here's the truth. You don't need a fancy resume. You don't need permission. You just need a phone, Wi-Fi, and the willingness to try. The people making money online today, they're not smarter than you. They just started earlier. And hey, if you've been sitting on the sidelines, waiting for the perfect time, this is it. Don't let overthinking stop you from earning. Even if you just publish one piece of content this week, that's more than 99% of people who never start. This could be the beginning of something life-changing. And all it takes is that first step. You've got this. No more excuses. Start small. Stay consistent. Watch it grow. Let's go make that $100 a day. Together. So here's your sign. Start now. Drop a comment saying, "I'm in," and I'll reply with extra tips to help you begin. Like this video, subscribe for more faceless income methods, and check the description for tool links. See you in the next one. Let's build your online income, one smart step at a time.